In this lesson, I'd like to show you how to split a PDF document into multiple pieces or multiple files. If you have a large PDF, you might want to split it into separate files so that it can be emailed more conveniently. You might want to split it into separate files just so you can have the same number of pages per file, or you might want to split it up by chapter in the document. Anyway, we're going to show you how to split this up. I have a folder open, and this is called 10-page document because it has 10 pages in it. I'm going to go ahead and open this guy up, and I'm going to turn around and take a look at organized pages. And you can see that I have 10 pages inside of here filled with graphics. There's a PowerPoint slide presentation, spreadsheet out here. And the way we go to split is we want to come out and choose organize pages. And when I click organize pages, I see the organize toolbar here, and I want to choose split, and I get the sub toolbar down here. I can split by, and there's three settings: number of pages, I can split by the file size, or I can split by bookmarks or chapters, if you will. Number of pages, the default is 2, so I'm going to leave that. And if I have 10 pages, I should end up with 5 files. I'm going to go ahead and choose output options, and I'm going to just dump this in the same folder where the file was. We're going to add a label to these files so we can identify them. They're going to have the original file name, and then we're going to have the word part separated by an underscore and then a number. So every time it's split, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. And if there are any files out there, we're not going to overwrite the existing files. We could do that manually. So it's going to give us an error if we try to do this 2 times in a row. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to go ahead and just choose split. And it comes back and tells me that this has been split into 5 documents. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And if I move out to that folder again, instead of just the 10-page document, I now have 5 other pages, which are 2 pages split out 5 times. So this would be the first 2 pages. This would be the last 2 pages of the document. I'm going to go ahead and just select these files. I'm going to right-click and delete them to move them out of here. So I'll choose delete. And then back in my document here, I'm going to go ahead and choose split one more time. And this time I'm going to break these up by file size. And instead of splitting it up by 2 megabytes in size, I'm going to split this up by, say, a half a megabyte in size. And I'm going to leave the same output options as before. I could dump it into a different folder, but everything's just going to be left the same. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK, click on split. And it splits this into 5 documents again. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and the documents have been split into half megabyte sizes. So I could go back here and look inside and see what those are. 10-page doc 1 is this guy, an organized pages, and I see it's just 1 page. If I come back out here and choose the last part, it looks like the last part is just the last slide that was out there. And maybe I'll try part 3. We'll take a look at it, and if I organize pages, it's several pages as once. Looks like they have 6 pages out here, so it didn't take up more than a half a megabyte for these 6 pages. Anyway, okay, so I'll come back out to my folder again. I'm going to go ahead and select these files that I just created, and I'm going to go ahead and delete them. Come back out, we'll try this one more time. I'll choose split, and this time, instead of number of pages or file size, I want the top level bookmarks. Well, let's see what I have for my bookmarks out here. I'm going to close Organize Tools, and I'm going to come out to my bookmarks, and I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bookmarks. So it looks like there's a bookmark that actually will have a couple of pages inside of it. So I should end up with 9 documents, 1 per bookmark. So we'll come back out. Organize pages, and I will choose split one more time, and this time I'll choose top level bookmarks. Output options will be the same. I'm going to go ahead and just click on split, and I end up with 9 documents. And here are my 9 documents again, so per bookmark. So I'll go ahead and delete those out of there. And that, my friends, is how you can split up a document.